It's hard to describe the Rec Innovation Center and Tanya Hertz leading it because it's so incredible.
Rec has been phenomenal for this community, Tanya and the whole team for last 2 years. And what a phenomenal change I have seen in the students.
All the student founders get to bring in their ideas and their concepts of their businesses, and they're rewarded with just a ton of support and a ton of resources from so many different angles.
I love the laptops, Cricut machine. There's videos like this one that we get.
And the Rec's been awesome. It's been a great place for other entrepreneurs to get together and really bounce ideas off each other.
It is an incubator that is open to the entire San Diego community if you become a student at Miramar, and everybody can become a student at Miramar.
This program has helped me so much that we achieved some good progress that we couldn't have done without the Rec.
It's a literal supermarket of resources for small business people and entrepreneurs that really want to work to accomplish their dreams.
We have access to amazing mentors. We also got a grant.
This is something everybody should learn about it.
So thankful and so grateful to Tanya for picking me out of the crowd, listening to my story, and kind of pulling me into the Rec, because it's been nothing but positive progress since then.
It is just one of the most amazing places, programs that Miramar offers currently.
So if you want to learn entrepreneurship and startup, there's no greater program.